So we're taking the bike out today, and I've got my new top speed of 60 miles an hour. That's a 110. But tragically, shortly after the 60 miles an hour, we developed a leak. As you can see there, and it's dripping down the framework. You can just see from there. There's a pool of it here. In fact, if I push this away, some of it will reform. I can't really work out where it's coming from. It's not petrol. I know that much for sure. See, it's starting to pool again. There's loads of water. So, if you can help me there, I'd be very grateful to work out what the water is. And whether the water could be connected to it cutting out. There's a lot of water there, isn't there? I don't know if you can really see it that clear. It's not coming from somewhere. It's not petrol. It's not leaking inside here. There's nothing inside there. It's just pooling water. So if you have any idea what this could be, I'd be very grateful. I do have a breather on the fuel tank, so we'll presume it's not condensation build up from the fuel tank. Once again, it's just water, nothing petrol or anything about it. So if you can help, I'd be very grateful. Keep on riding, guys. Thanks now.